Hira's murder? Who could have done it?
People are disturbed by this news. Influential businessmen, politicians have been calling me up to know about it. But I wonder what I should tell them.
I don't understand these days. One after another, back to back. We have been hearing only depressing news and nothing else.
Mr. KK, you asked for me?
Come, Siddhant. Did you find that out?
What are you talking about, sir? Did something go wrong?
Miss Hira has been murdered. She was shot dead.
Sir, I know that. I was there only at that moment.
I have lost my life because of you. You are responsible for my death. Brother, open the door. Open the door, brother.
What happened?
Brother, cops are at the door. They are inquiring about you.
Why isn't Siddhant answering my call?
What happened?
Search this place and listen. Guard the door and make sure that Siddhant Sinha does not escape.
Yes, sir.
What has he done? Tell me what's wrong he has done.
He has killed Hira Sanyal.
What? Are you in your senses? He can't kill anybody. I'm sure about that. He can't do that.
All mothers think the same way, that their sons cannot commit a murder.
No, Inspector.
But we still witness murders every day. And the murderers are somebody's sons after all. Madam, listen. I'll tell you what, we are here to arrest Siddhant Sinha based on the evidence recovered from the crime scene. So please cooperate with us. Come on, search this place. I'm sure he's somewhere here.
You need permission to search the place.
I would want you to spare your efforts. I'm right here.
Siddhant, what's going on?
Mr.
These
Siddhant Sinha, we arrest you on charges of Hira Sanyal's murder. And here's the arrest warrant.
Arrest warrant? What? Siddhant, what's going on? What's happening?
Wait.
I know.
Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law.
I know that. I'm a lawyer.
Sir, there must be some misunderstanding. My brother is innocent.
You
Arrest
both
him.
please don't worry. Don't stress about it.
Siddhant,
Everything
what is
will
he
be
saying?
fine.
Why did you cuff him? Let me go. What is happening, Siddhant? Brother,
Let's go.
I'll
Be
come
back
with
soon.
you. Brother, how can you take him like this?
Take care of
Please.
Mom.
Brother, Siddhant,
Go.
wait, Siddhant, sir, listen, sir. Siddhant, wait, Siddhant. Mom. Siddhant, no.
Purva, take Mom inside.
Brother.
I'll return soon, Mom.
Wait, Siddhant.
Mom, go home, please.
Siddhant, wait. No. You can't do like this. Stop, Siddhant. No, Siddhant. Mom, brother will come back. Mom, let me think of something. Anushka, they have arrested brother on charges of Hira Sanyal's murder.
What?
Anushka, I don't know what to do. Even mom is worrying a lot.
Purva, take care of your mother and yourself, okay? I'll do something about it.
Mom, please, Mom. Brother will come back. Mom, we will do something.
Siddhant, what happened now?
Control, Mr. Sweetie. Control. Control yourself.
Hey, hello. Who the hell are you? Get back, please. I'm his lawyer.
Yes, he is my lawyer. I can talk to my lawyer, right? I have that right with me.
Come on, lock him up first. Then let him talk to whoever he wants to. Come on. Siddhant, first of all, tell me what happened. When and how did it happen?
Mr. Sweetie, I have already told you. You are soon to get sentimental. First, you give me a status on the bail.
Sir, actually, when I got to the court, it had already been shut. I rushed over to the magistrate's house, but he refused to sign. I requested him, Siddhant, but he did not listen to me.
Magistrate won't listen to you. But he will listen to KK Reddy.
Magistrate's mother is ill. He's taken her to a hospital.
So why are you informing KK then?
That's why the magistrate didn't sign the bailing documents. He said he'll sign them in the morning.
Why did you go over there?
Sir, actually, Hira had called me up, so I thought it was regarding my job. And before I got there, sir, she was dead.
Why didn't you inform the police then?
You'll be suspected for no reason now. You know that.
What do I do now, sir? I assure you, sir, that I did not do anything.
Don't worry. KK will not let anything happen to you. You're under KK's protection now. If anything happens, I'll get you out of the trouble. I promise Siddhant that I will not let him be in the lockup. So make some effort. Bribe the magistrate. Doesn't matter how. But be quick.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू